In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money to Coinbase app with Apple Pay. And if you're looking to start your crypto journey, we'll include links in the description below so you can easily check them out. To start, open the Coinbase app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see an option that says Transfer at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Transfer. Then, from the options provided, tap on Deposit Cash. After that, you will see a section that says Transfer From. Tap on Transfer From. From the transfer options provided, tap on Apple Pay. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Once entered, tap on Preview. Then, review your transfer request. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, tap on Deposit Now. Lastly, confirm your Apple Pay details, and then use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to complete the transaction. In this video, we are asked to double-click the side button to pay. That's how you deposit money to your Coinbase app with Apple Pay. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.